When a commercial building is completely finished, its original blueprints rarely ever match what actually stands on the physical site. The moment construction begins, the reality of the physical space starts to drift away from the original design intent. Fixing that gap with a tape measure is slow and prone to human error, creating a bottleneck before any new work can begin. Whether you're planning a tenant fit-out, a major renovation, or processing an insurance claim, you can't move forward without reliable documentation. Operating a facility and outdated drawings leaves you managing a significant, unknown financial liability. You need a modern, technological fix to close that gap. That fix is FAISpace floor plan capture, powered by iGUIDE. The process starts with a single site visit. An accredited technician sets up a specialized camera system equipped with LiDAR, which uses light pulses to map physical environments with exact precision. This system can fully document a 2,500 square foot space in under 15 minutes. Because the capture happens so quickly, you get the exact data you need in hours rather than weeks, eliminating the need to send teams back to the site for missed measurements. Moving fast on site doesn't mean sacrificing technical quality. This diagram shows a room's cross-section, where the captured point cloud data snaps perfectly to the wall dimensions. This represents a survey-grade standard, delivering a measurement uncertainty of 0.5% or less and meeting strict ANSI standards. In commercial real estate and construction, stakeholders constantly challenge measurements when budgets are on the line. Operators using the iGUIDE system report having their dimensions challenged hundreds of times by contractors and adjusters without a single error ever being found. That consistent accuracy gives building owners a court-ready, definitive source of truth that holds up to the highest level of scrutiny. Think of that initial LiDAR scan like a beam of light hitting a prism. It splits into a comprehensive menu of deliverables, tailored for specific professional workflows. The first output is a schematic PDF floor plan. These color-coded documents feature clear room labels and square footage calculations, giving marketing and leasing teams exactly what they need to show the space. Next, the scan generates CAD drafting files in DWG format. Drafted to an LOD 200 standard for structural accuracy, these come complete with AIA standard layers and raw LiDAR point cloud data. For building information modeling workflows, those drafts extrapolate out into a 3D structural model in Revit or DWG, mapping walls, windows, and core elements. By starting with one highly accurate scan, your architects, designers, and real estate marketers all work simultaneously from the exact same dataset. The system also generates specialized exports for the insurance sector, specifically ESX files that integrate directly into Xactimate for claims documentation. These sketches automatically capture complex structural details, like custom cabinetry and varied ceiling heights, accelerating the entire restoration process. And the data is available almost immediately after the scan is complete. Interactive plans are available within minutes of the site visit, while standard and premium drafted CAD plans arrive within 24 hours. Pairing high-speed field capture with rapid file delivery establishes a new baseline for keeping time-sensitive facility projects on schedule. Whether you operate in real estate, architecture, facility management, or forensic investigation, the utility of these deliverables crosses every industry line. Best of all, you own the data you pay for. There are no monthly subscriptions and no ongoing hosting fees to access your own floor plans. Getting an accurate floor plan is the essential first step in a much larger facility asset journey. Once you have that digital foundation, you can use the exact same capture to host asset tags, QR codes, and original manufacturer specifications for the entire life of the building. This is FAISpace, the FAI of your facility's asset. To map what you own and book a capture, visit faispace.com.au.